guys, welcome to Dunia Ceria Putri. So, hari ni kita Putri actually dah diploma in adalah course dia kan. What about kita mulakan dengan comeback doing journal with me or finish my assessment? Okay lah, tak apalah, ikut je lah. Gimana ni Okay, bye. Weh, tahu tak nak set up kamera ni sangat susah. Weh, asal dia macam ni? Oh tak, this is skin texture. Supaya daripada jauh dia macam okay. Weh, sorry dua bila bersipah, tak apa, nanti aku sensor. Okay, bye. So I akan bring my laptop, my notes, my charger. Ta-da! Bye. So tadi daripada library, by the way I bought ramen, sushi ramen. Bukan sushi ramen, ramen roll tadi. And yeah, okay lah, bye. I don't know what I'm yaping. This is just my new journey dekat YouTube before I come back with another content yang we'll see. Stay tuned. Bye. Sekejap. Punya lama tak buat video YouTube. Lupa kena buat acara kita. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.